Coming to the stage next is a wizard who would not have been the most popular kid at school if he were homeschooled. Please welcome to the stage, Ron Weasley.
I get it, all right. I am not Ed Sheeran, okay? Okay, he's got frog eyes. Look at him next time, he's got frog eyes, and I can make that happen to you, all right, if you laugh at those jokes. Now, I know what you've seen in the movies, you've seen me in the movies, but I'm here to warn you, it might get a little twisted up in here. My mind's a bit mental. I'm a bit mental. Voldemort's here, give it up for Voldemort. Voldemort, you albino Jeff Bezos looking twat. You're what would happen if a school shooter was British. And your head looks like more like a ball sack than I remember. Very veiny. It's not in the films.
Because he's stressed.
Yeah. That's not how mine looks when I'm stressed. You're a narcissist, you only hang out with sycophants, and J.K. Rowling called you a raging psychopath, devoid of the normal human responses to other people's suffering, right? So basically, you're every male filmmaker in Hollywood. Is there a spell for curing emotional abuse? Because I think we all need one right now, eh, Governor? You know, Voldemort, you have a lot in common with Macbeth. You're both boring, cannot be named, and will be better played by Michael Fassbender. Yeah, that's right, I'm not a big Ray Fiennes fan, okay? I much prefer the Fiennes brother who looks more like a balding Adam Levine, thank you very much. No Handmaid's Tale fans out here? Voldemort, you're more obsessed with kids than a paedophile. Yeah. In fact, I wonder sometimes if you are one. You're a single male over 30, you aren't allowed within 2,500 feet of Hogwarts, and one time you finished on Harry's forehead. Sorry, Harry. Dumbledore's here. Dumbledore. You know, call me totally mental, but all those books in your office, your name would make more sense if it was Dumbledore. Oh, I'm sorry, is that too twisted for you? If I saw you on a dating app, you'd be more like a Bumblebore. Have I got mad? Oh my God. I'm deranged, ain't I?
Special Ed Sheeran.
Again, we already done that. But I gotta say, I knew Dumbledore was gay all along, right? Not because he loved bringing me and Harry into his office to size up our wands, but because he never went anywhere without his beard. Of course, I'm talking about Professor McGonagall. Although she could take what she could get, I'm sure she hasn't been touched by a man since before they started letting black kids into Hogwarts. It's been a while. Fun fact, Hogwarts isn't just the name of our school. It's also the name of the STD Dumbledore got after he fucked Hagrid's Patronus. It's called the Hogwarts. Hagrid ain't here, he's that sot, Hagrid. I just want to point out, I really think he is the James Corden of the Harry Potter universe. He's fat, non-threatening, and the guy in the friend group who only gets invited to things because people would feel bad for him. No carpool for me. I'd rather take the tube, thank you very much. It's a British term, the tube. Well, Marilyn Manson backup singer and the guy I wish they would have cast as the Crow, Professor Snape, is here. Get that Crow fans out there? Thank you for dressing up and wearing your good chain wallet tonight, you brat.
I had a joke
All right. We're going to look nicer for it then. All right, yeah, go ahead.
What do you call it when you die and no one sees it? Invisibility cloak.
And no, she ain't talking about frog-faced Ed Sheeran.
Hey,
So, yeah.
Professor Snape. I thought that was really funny.
That was the best joke I've heard this whole set, actually. He couldn't afford better jokes. Because you're poor.
And I'm fucking done. What of it?
Why don't you and Harry switch chairs so we can have a real good time?
You know what? Ladies and gentlemen, the shittiest Culkin brother, Draco Malfoy is here. Draco talks about pure blood so much, he just got hired as an editor on Steve Bannock's new blog. Fuck that up. Boom. Should have left it at the Culkin brother. Hermione! My wife gave up for Hermione. Clearly, fuck all if you didn't really settle with me. You fucked up there. One of the smartest to ever go to Hogwarts, and you couldn't crack the code to shag somebody hotter than me? I mean, frankly, yes. Frankly, you could have ended up with Neville Longbottom, and we've all seen that guy. He's a real cock-up, ain't he? He's a real cock-up. You seen him on Google? Oof. He's got eggs for days. Yeah, Hermione, you're so good at magic. Why can't you cast a spell to make our marriage work? I know I'm not as good at wizarding as you, but if I have to do one more night of you Hermione-splaining why my wand doesn't work, I'm gonna walk in front of the Dementor.
That's right.
I'll tell you the truth, before we got married, all my friends sounded like Netflix. They were like, are you sure you won't keep going on? Are you sure you won't keep going on with that? All right, here's the next episode. Right, I'm a bit of a cad, I know. I'm a bit mental, I know.
Finish up, honey.
Moving on to Harry.
Yeah, you do a great job, bro. We're
Thank
all
you
very
so
proud
much,
of
bud.
you.
Thank you.
We're very
You're
proud
really good. Thank you.
You're doing really good.
Harry, you and John Lennon have a lot in common.
Oh, do we, Rob?
Yeah, you
Tell me
do.
more.
You wear dumb round glasses.
Oh, yeah.
You like Asian women.
Oh, yeah.
And have a best friend who is way more handsome than you.
Oh, well done, Rob.
I love you, Harry. Thank you so much. Thank all of you. Sorry it was a bit twisted for you.